Hey, hello everyone. November 10th. I'm officially done bow hunting Ranger Renos here for the early season at least. I'm packing up, getting ready to head to the cabin. I'm going to do a little bow camp with brother John and nephew Derek. So really looking forward to that. Haven't hunted the cabin at all this year yet. So we'll see what happens. I'm going to head down to the kitchen now and I'm going to do some pre-made potatoes and see how that works instead of cooking them at camp. It's a work in progress for sure. So we will see you down in the kitchen and then we'll see you at the cabin. Okay, I got a little prefab taters going on here. This is going to be our breakfast potatoes for the weekend at the cabin. I started pre-making them here at home and then heating them up there. It works really well. So I'm going to cook these taters up, and next time we see you guys, we'll be at the cabin. Hello everybody. Well, we made it back to the cabin. Hunting the cabin property this morning, and it's an absolutely perfect morning. Low 30s, no wind, overcast. As nephew Derek would say, it feels very deery. I haven't heard from the boys yet. I haven't seen anything. I assume they haven't either. So we're gonna hunt to 11, then get down and have a little breakfast, and then head back out in the afternoon. So hang in there with me. I'll turn this back on if we get any action. It's nice to be back at the cabin. Well, that's gonna do it for this morning's hunt. I didn't see anything, and I didn't hear that John or Derek did either. So one thing Derek did see was a bobcat walk past him. I guess he's got some video of that, so that should be pretty cool to check out. Try to post it here if I can, if you can transfer it to me. You'll see it right after this clip. So we're gonna head back to the cabin. We're gonna have a big deer hunter's breakfast, and we'll be back out this afternoon. Maybe they'll be moving then. That was a good old tree stand back in the day. It shot a few deer for sure. Rest in peace, old buddy. That looks like I might be the first guy back. I didn't think I would be. Sure was a nice morning. Thought for sure we'd see something. I don't see the boys yet. Here comes Johnny this way. Here comes Johnny. Nice stand, man.
It's beautiful out there.
I know, wasn't it?
Felt deery.
You didn't see anything, huh?
I didn't.
Me neither.
It's a good sit though.
Nothing's gonna see you either with that camouflage you got there. You look good. Huh?
Thanks, man.
I see you kept an arrow in there in case you saw that bobcat, huh?
Yeah, did you see Dee's video yet?
No, did you?
It's a good video.
Is it?
Yeah. I think you got a good video of it.
I'm gonna get a tape of it on here. Yeah, I'm surprised we didn't see anything. It's such a nice morning.
Maybe the afternoon.
Maybe. Let's see what the sharpshooter's got to say here. Here comes the other hunter. Bobcat sighter. Yeah, nice try, D.
Tried.
Did you see anything but that bobcat?
Just a predator.
That's what you saw, just the bobcat? You could probably see me pretty good, couldn't you?
I couldn't see you at all. I could see him.
Oh, you can't see me? Good.
Did you really think I was a deer? Yeah.
Well, you saw movement through the brush, right?
I saw a lot of movement.
You did? Was there a lot of movement over there?
What do you mean a lot of movement?
John, what'd you think of the blind?
It's beautiful.
I brushed it in some
It
more.
was a great set.
I mean, you're pretty good chance if a deer comes through there, they're not going to see you.
No. Yeah. No, that's a good spot.
And you got to
Nice
just
job.
you let the deer walk by you, and then slowly kind of get up a little bit and let them have it.
There's a lot of sign back there.
You think so?
Oh yeah. Brush road. I saw.
Did you?
Then there's one right off the trail here.
Okay, I didn't see it, but I believe you. I don't know, for whatever reason they're not in the area today. I don't know.
It's not set
We
up
need
yet.
we need does to bring bucks in.
Not over yet.
Then we'll have some eggs, sausage, potatoes, toast, and see what happens, huh?
Deer hunter's truck up real good.
All right, we're gonna check out this bobcat here. I don't know if I can see it very good on here. Should be able to. Oh yeah, here it comes. He's not a real big one, huh?
No.
Or what did you think?
I thought it was just like a regular adult.
This isn't what you saw that year, is it, John?
No, I could have swore it was bigger.
Yeah, because that.
This far away, you could see it. It looked like a big cat. Sure it wasn't.
That's pretty cool.
Big line.
Is that over?
No, it's like a minute. He starts to look at me eventually.
Did he?
Picked me out, I think.
Never saw you, did it, D?
It looked at me. I don't know if it
Oh,
knew
it
what I
did?
was.
Look
Yeah.
at that thing.
Yeah, we used to get a bobcat on trail cam. I don't know if it's the same one or not.
Here's where he looks.
He's like, you stay in that tree, mister. He got a little bigger tail than I thought, right? Am I seeing a tail right there?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
That's pretty cool.
Thought it was a coyote at first coming at me, and then
There he goes. Is he on the trail still?
yeah, still on the trail. He just kind of worked
Looks like
his
he's.
way back.
Yeah, I don't think he's looking at you. He's looking his way back. He's looking back.
There it goes.
Yeah, he never really like ran off. He just kind of was moving around.
Just went
That
about
was
his
it.
business.
That's cool.
Doesn't count.
Then I didn't kill anything.
How's your breakfast, you guys?
It's delicious. You want to see it?
Very good. What is it, like eggs, Braunschweiger, sausage, toast, potatoes? I pre-made the potatoes and heated them up and then nuked them. How did that turn out, you think?
Delicious.
Is it?
It's very good.
Good.
Thank you.
D, your next egg's coming up, D.
Appreciate it.
Fried Braunschweiger, people. Really recommend it. Okay, everybody. We're all cleaned up from breakfast. Some of us had a little bit of a nap. Dishes are done. John and Derek are out in the stand, and I'm heading out. So we'll see what we can do this afternoon. Hopefully we can put a deer on the camera. Hopefully one like that. Well, we've been at it about 2 hours this afternoon. It's about 4 o'clock. Nothing. So, hopefully it'll happen this last hour. If not, it's football and venison cheeseburgers and venison dogs tonight. Sure, some beautiful, beautiful weather for a sit, though. It's pretty much going to be a wrap for Saturday afternoon, November 11th. We'll see you guys back at the cabin. All right, guys. We have venison burgers and venison brats tonight.
Hot dogs.
Venison hot dogs.
Look at those hot dogs.
I want to thank Dee for providing that venison burger and Dee's buddy Nick. Nick, thanks for those venison dogs, man. They look delish. Might as well give a plug. This stuff is from Wisconsin River Meats in Boston. We'll see you inside.
Good stuff. Yeah, that looks good too.
Does that look good?
Presentation, yeah.
Veni burger, Veni dog, all the way around.
Delicious.
Looks good, man. Thanks, Dee.
Thanks, Dee.
Hey, good morning, everybody. It's a beautiful morning up at the cabin. A little bit breezy today, but a beauty. Got the sun coming up over here, peeking through the trees. I'm in a tree stand this morning on the property. 2-man ladder. After not seeing anything in my box blind, I decided to do this this morning. It's a great spot. Hunting's been very slow, very disappointing, but you know, we haven't hunted here much this year, so not much at all, really. So we'll just hang in there and just enjoy a beautiful morning in the woods. I'd like to send a congrats out to James' gang. My friend Jim, he shot a beautiful fork last night near his home. So congrats to you, James' gang. And yeah, we'll see what's going on here this morning. It's been a good camp with Derek and John. Had a nice time so far, so we'll continue that here. She's breezy. Here comes nephew Derek.
Nice try, Dee. What were there? You saw 3 of them? 3? Good. It's a good sign. Let them reproduce. Let her get bred. Huh? Yeah, thanks for the heads up. All right, I'll climb down here and head back to the cabin, huh? Okay. Now John and Derek are going to head back to home. We had a good camp. At least today 3 deer were spotted, which is a plus. I was happy to see that. Dee got a real nice 8-pointer a couple weeks ago, and he's already got the European mount back.
Turned out good.
It did turn out good. A guy in Partyville, you said, huh?
Yeah. Halloween morning. Buddy's neighbor.
18-inch spread?
18-inch spread.
Yeah. It's a beautiful buck, man.
Yeah, thank you.
At least you got one under your belt.
Yeah, it takes the pressure off.
Yeah. So, next week is rifle season, so good luck to you guys.
You too.
Yeah.
Let us
and
know.
hopefully you have some success.
Give the Pete's our best.
I will.
I know you'll have a good camp.
Yep.
Look forward to seeing it on video.
Definitely. Yeah. We're
Good
looking
luck to everybody.
we're
Thanks
looking
again.
forward to it. Thanks,
We had a
guys.
good weekend.
Thanks,
Appreciate it.
guys. You bet.
Thanks for having us.
All right. So, drive safe.
Yep.
Go
Good luck
Packers.
this afternoon, too.
Go Pack, go.
Go Pack, go. See you, bro.
See you later.
See you later.
Well, I'm stand hopping again, trying to get a little intel. I'm in my red pines, east side of the property, overlooking a little swamp here. Good trails, so got some scrapes. Last sit of the early season bow hunt. Haven't gotten any deer on camera here with this hunt. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you some footage when I was at Ranger Reno's the last week or 2. Saw a lot of deer, didn't connect, but had a great time. So I'm going to show you some Ranger Reno footage. Hope you guys enjoy. and we'll see you when that's over. That deer was just tending a scrape. I can't see. I can't tell how big it is. He was just on the licking branch and just scraping. I hope the camera got that. That was a big, big buck. Easily 22-inch spread plus, probably. At least a 10-pointer, probably a 12. It might have been moose. Very, very big buck. I thought the doe was going to bring him to me. But I think the doe saw I had like 3 or 4 deer right behind me in the back door. And I think the doe saw them and she didn't like that. So she turned around and they're just fooling around in these woods. She turned around and she's just doing laps out here with the big boy right on her. That was super exciting, man. This close. There's a buck chasing that doe. There's a doe in that scrape that the big buck made the other day. God, it'd be great if he was in the area. But she's at the scrape. Good morning, everybody. Doing something a little different today. I saw a lot of deer coming from this area, this deadfall. So I've got myself tucked in. I've got about 3 or 4 good shot windows. And we're gonna see what happens. Hope you enjoyed seeing some of that footage from Rangers. We've got about a half hour to go here in this evening hunt, so I'm going to wrap up my videoing right now here. Sit tight, see what happens this last half hour. We'll see you guys in the cabin.
33. Packers won the first 9 times that they played. Both organizations with an incredible amount of success. Now, how about that meeting with a black man?
Okay guys, it's going to be a wrap for this bull hunting video. Unfortunately, I didn't get one this year yet. I'm saying yet because it's a long season. It does go to, I believe, January 1st. So, still give her a try maybe. We'll see how the rifle season goes, which is next week. And I want to wish everyone a safe and successful and just a fun-filled rifle. Wisconsin's 9-day gun season's coming up next week. That'll be my next video after this one. So I wish everyone success and safety, and just enjoy each other's company in your camps or whatever you guys do. It's going to be a wrap. I'm doing something different tonight. I've got some Parmesan crusted cod. those taters you saw in my earlier clip. Got some garlic toast. I'm going to pair this up with a hams. So, guys, we'll see you at the rifle video. Have a great rifle season. Thank you all very much for watching. And we'll see you down the road.